Hello and welcome to this InvestNI video tutorial on writing and delivering a successful sales pitch. Pitching skills are essential for the success of any business. In this series of 3 videos, we'll explore the skills you need to ensure potential customers are as enthusiastic about your business as you are. In this video, we'll look at preparing and structuring your pitch. In the second, we'll explore persuasive presentation through verbal and non-verbal communication and visual aids. And in the final tutorial, we'll outline some strategies for handling Q&A sessions with confidence and delivering a 30-second elevator pitch. To create a successful pitch, you need to understand who your audience is and what they're looking for. You need to understand their needs and motivations before you can craft a presentation that will resonate with them. Knowing your audience will help you to appeal to their interests by referring to topics that your audience enjoys. Present at the right level. Are the people in the audience specialists in your field? Probably not. With this in mind, avoid using special words or expressions that could potentially be difficult to understand. If you do use jargon, make sure that your audience understands what it means. Avoid potentially embarrassing or tactless remarks. People attend pitches for all sorts of reasons. Many come because they believe the product will cater to their needs. Others have been sent in someone else's place. Whatever their reasons, set out by capturing their attention and then appealing to their needs throughout the presentation. Keep their interest by keeping it relevant. When you come to draft your pitch, ask yourself these essential questions. What's the purpose of this pitch? What does my audience need to hear? What would success look like? How will I support my pitch with visuals? What handouts or notes will I need? We'll explore some of these questions in more depth in the next video. Mind mapping is a useful tool for organising your ideas. It helps you see connections between ideas that you might have missed and ensures that you don't overlook vital information. Write your objective in the middle of a sheet of paper. Write down all the ideas that your objective brings to mind. Put them anywhere. Once you run out of ideas, take some time to group related ideas into themes. Connect them with lines. On another sheet of paper, order your themes according to their importance. The 3 most important will provide you with the core of your pitch. Once you've assembled your themes, you can begin to structure your pitch in more detail. Let's start at the beginning. This is your first opportunity to grab your audience's attention. Start with a statistic or fact, an amusing or moving anecdote, or a rhetorical question. In short, get them thinking. Next, introduce yourself and your role. This will give your audience an idea of who you are and why you're standing in front of them. Let them know how long your pitch will be. Draw their attention to your PowerPoint presentation or any handouts that you've brought to support your pitch. Let them know that you'll be happy to answer questions at the end. Now it's time to get into the body of your pitch by outlining the topic. Explain why you're pitching and what you hope to get as a result. Move on to the themes that you established in your mind mapping session. Give an overview first and then delve into each theme in turn. Outline your product's benefits clearly and succinctly. This is the most important part of your pitch. Keep it positive and focus on your offering and its benefits. Once you've covered the material you prepared, move to the conclusion. Keep it short and to the point. Remind your audience of your objective and the themes that you've covered. Make sure that you make your request. What do you want your audience to do? And don't forget to invite questions. In this video, we've explored how to get started on writing a pitch. In the next, we'll look at what will happen when you're in the room with your audience. See you soon.